Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's nail art, I'll be showing you guys how I did this Cutie Halloween Ghost nail art. First thing that I'm doing is I'm applying OMG's peel-off base coat. Then I'm applying 2 coats of Roam With Me by Orly. After letting it to dry, I'm applying holographic pearls by Revlon to my nude base for a sparkly and holographic finish. After that, I'm using Morgan Taylor's One Piece or 2, and I'm painting a thin line like this on the tip of my nail. Next shade I'm using is Honey Darlin' by C&D. And for the third shade, I'm using Lemonade in the shade by Morgan Taylor. Then I'm just filling the tips of my nails with different lengths of these shades. After letting all to dry, I'm now painting the ghosts. I'm using Beauty Kingdom 02 and Orly's Detailer brush. Then for the outline, I'm using 01 by Beauty Kingdom. Then I also added more details to it. And after all of that, I'm using C&D's long wear top coat to seal it all in. And we're done! Our nails are now Halloween ready. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!